with notifications. Y'all boys don't know what it is. That's KOT4Q, man. I fuck with KOT4Q. Damn, this a good little list right here, bro. Man, MLK is not better than fucking Southwest, nigga. Stop fucking playing with me, nigga. Alright, let's see if they got rappers. That's a good one, rappers. Rappers from 90s to 2001. Rapper ranking 2020. You can go with rappers, greatest rappers of all times. Rappers in 2023. Ooh, damn. Hey, yo, Davo! Slide real quick to it. This a good one. This a good one. Ooh, this a good one. We got rappers, man. Best in the game, GOAT. Very talented, very flawless, but not top tier. Good, but not great. Might be somewhat inconsistent. Occasionally good, but not consistently. Mostly inconsistent in quality. Trash. Unknown, not sure. Fucking trash. We got fucking rappers, nigga. We got rappers. First up, 6ix9ine. Trash. Trash. 21 Savage. Very talented. Top tier. Bomb. Black. I don't know nothing about Black. ASAP Ferg. I don't listen to him. ASAP Rocky. I don't listen to him. Absol. No. 2 Chainz. Good. 50 Cent. He's one. Am I judging 50 Cent for his rapping or for 50 Cent? You know
50 Cent can rap.
Ain't in the club.
You know how many hits 50 Cent got?
I guess I'll
He got one of the hardest discs ever.
Who the fuck is Action Bronson?
Who's the person in the orange?
Where? Right here?
No.
Right here?
Down.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's a Boogie. Oh. A Boogie right there. Bad Baby is crazy. Now she can rap a little bit though. She rap better than fucking 6ix9ine.
Who's that?
This nigga. Action Pack. Big Crit. Don't know who that is. Big Sean. Big Sean can go with fucking. Big Sean hard though. Blockboy JB is crazy. Blockboy JB can go with Bad Baby. Blueface can go with Bad Baby. I don't know who these folks is. Cardi B hard though. Cardi B can go with fucking bruh.
Hey Boogie?
Yeah.
Hell nah. I think Cardi B.
Am I disrespecting? Who I'm disrespecting?
Nah, you kinda ain't disrespecting Cardi.
I'm disrespecting Cardi?
Yeah.
For putting her with a Boogie hard.
She better than
A Boogie hard.
In my opinion.
Bro, what?
You know who her husband is?
Offset on here. Gunna. What we doing with Gunna, chat?
We gonna put Gunna with.
You gotta put Gunna with Savage? No. Gunna hard though, bro.
No.
Gunna hard though.
We can put him with.
Gunna got some good songs, bro.
Alright, Chance the Rapper.
I don't listen to Chance the Rapper, but I know he good. I'll put him right there. Chief Keef.
That boy at the top of the top.
Chief Keef's with Blueface.
No, the fuck he's not.
Chief Keef.
Hell no.
Chief Keef with Blueface.
Nah, you're tripping.
Chief Keef with Blueface, bro.
You're tripping.
So Chief Keef not with Blueface?
No, nigga. He's at least with, who's that nigga in the purple?
That's 2 Chainz.
He's at least with 2 Chainz. On God, he is. You don't need to listen to 2 Chainz. Tell me 2 Chainz on right now.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Everybody
Bad
knows
bitch contest. You in first place. Bro, Chief Keef music is
what?
Ass. Chief Keef fire. Don't get me wrong, but his music ass.
So you
like,
putting 2 Chainz over Chief Keef?
Like Love Sosa hard, but that shit you be playing ass. Finally Rich.
What?
Finally Rich. That shit ass as fuck.
Don't be mad because you was the one listening to the fucking Migos. Handsome and wealthy. That type of nigga you want a big ass t-shirt.
Chief Keef birth drill music. He did, bro.
Man, you a handsome and wealthy.
Hey, yeah, the baby. The baby up there with Big Sean.
That's dick riding.
How's that dick riding? How's that dick riding?
You gonna put the baby over Chief Keef?
Yes. Yes. Designer is fucking right there with 6ix9ine. Drake is GOAT. Drake is GOAT level. Can we all agree that Drake is GOAT level?
Somehow, some way.
That's dick riding?
It's zesty.
Is zesty put Drake as best in the game?
Yes.
Drake is the GOAT.
No.
Drake is GOAT level, bro.
You can only put one up there?
I'm gonna put multiple if I see multiple. Drake is GOAT level, bro. Eminem.
I'm curious to see where you're gonna put this one.
Eminem is with fucking 50 Cent. Famous Dex is crazy. Famous Dex. Should he go? Famous Dex and Chief Keef the same? Okay, I can admit my flaws on that. I gotta bring Chief Keef up because Chief Keef way better than Famous Dex. Chief Keef, okay, Chief Keef can go right here, bro. Chief Keef can go with 2 Chainz, Big Sean. That's high. That's high.
If that's the case, okay, I can.
That's high. French Montana, I don't. You was playing French Montana earlier. That shit was ass.
French Montana.
That shit, the shit you was playing was ass. The shit you was playing. I don't know. You know what song I'm talking about? You was literally playing it earlier.
Shit with Kodak?
Nah, you weren't playing that. You was playing a song with French Montana. I'm gonna put that nigga. I can't put him right here though. French can go with Block Boy JP and Blue Man. Ooh, Future. Future gotta go up here with Savage Twin. Damn, do I just like niggas from Atlanta? Am I Atlanta biased? Do I got any Atlanta niggas under? Damn, I'm Atlanta biased, bro. G Herbo gots to go. G Herbo going right here, bro.
Gucci Man.
Gucci Man is going right here with Chief Keef. I feel like Future better than Gucci Man, bro. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck this is. Am I not looking? Hobson is crazy. Ice Cube.
He up there with 2 Chainz.
Cause he goated for sure. But damn, why we not putting Gucci Man up there though? Gucci Man hard too, bro.
Nah, see Gucci Man released a lot. But here's a lot. Ice Cube is a quality over quantity type of nigga.
J. Cole is going to my GOAT list, bro. J. Cole going to my GOAT list with Drake. Will Smith's son is crazy. Don't know nothing about him. J-Rock, who the fuck is that? Jay-Z. Jay-Z right here, but Jay-Z can slip the GOAT though. But I'm gonna just put Jay-Z right there for comfortable. Move Herb. Y'all want me to go Herb? Fat Gucci higher. They want me to put Herb higher, bro. Herb could probably go right here, but I don't know, bro. I'm just not listening to G Herbo, bro. Yeah, Herb ain't really had too much of an impact for me, bro.
You know what
Kanye next after Juice WRLD.
Okay,
Juice WRLD got to go right here.
Up there with Chief Keef for sure.
Yeah, Juice WRLD and Chief Keef same level, bro.
Now Kanye, that boy is up there with Jay-Z.
Let me think of Kanye.
Kanye.
Kanye got some shit.
That nigga's up there with Jay-Z.
Kanye got some shit, bro. Kanye got some shit.
Kanye damn near GOAT to me, bro.
Yeah, Kanye got some shit. Kendrick, all right, y'all ain't gonna fuck with me for this. A lot of y'all will put Kendrick right here. A lot of y'all will. I'm not no Kendrick fan. I'm putting Kendrick with Chance.
Oh.
I'm putting Kendrick with Cardi B, bro.
I don't know.
A lot of y'all might not fuck with that.
I don't know about that. Let me tell you why.
Why?
I don't think it's right that you put Kendrick under Chief Keef. That's just me though.
He should be with Cole. Kendrick not with Cole to me, bro.
He should at least be with
Kendrick
Juice WRLD.
not with Cole.
He should at least be with Juice WRLD. You put him on the same level as Cardi B and Chance the Rapper is kind of crazy. But,
this Kid Cudi right here. I think Kid Cudi 5, but I don't know too much about him.
You never heard of Day and Night?
Yeah, definitely. But if I hear that song, I'm not thinking Kid Cudi. I ain't gonna lie. Kodak Black. Kodak Black hard. Kodak Black hard. But he ain't did enough for me, bro.
Kyle
right here. Lil B is crazy. Lil Baby! Baby is up there with Drake and Cole. Lil Baby is GOAT level with Drake and Cole, bro.
I don't know about that.
Lil Baby.
I don't know about that one.
When you all right, listen. When you go to your car, who you turning on? No. When you go to your car, all right, you got 10 songs to play. Out of these 10 songs, what rapper is getting with multiple of those slots? And he said he ATL dick riding.
To the max. Let me think. turn on Avery. I might play a little baby. Play a little Darius. Young Thug. Young Gucci Man.
And then you gonna run it back with baby again. You gonna run baby more, bro. I was in the car with you. I heard your whole playlist today. You played baby more than anybody.
There you go.
You played baby more than anybody.
That's how it is though. Feel me? That don't mean that like I think he got nothing cold.
Lil Pump is crazy. Lil Pump is right here with fucking 6ix9ine the designer. Oh, Lil Uzi is a good one.
Lil Uzi out there with
Uzi is a good one, bro. Uzi low key right here though, or right here. Uzi hard though.
I say Uzi is with Cheeky for sure.
Damn, Kodak got to be with Cheeky too then, bro.
No.
Kodak is up there for me, bro.
No, he's not. If that's the case, why ain't what's the name?
Who?
Cardi B.
Cardi B should be up there.
Cardi B got some hits now.
What's a Cardi B hit? Name a Cardi B hit.
They do anything for clout.
Clout?
She was on that.
Clout?
She was on that.
You could have said Bodak Yellow.
That too.
Clout is crazy.
She got hella hits now.
Bodak Yellow. What else?
Shit. I don't know. I don't listen to that.
Exactly. Lil Wayne.
You can't tell me Kodak.
Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne can low-key slip in the GOAT level too though.
Nah, he's at the top. You tripping.
Lil Wayne can go GOAT level.
Nah, he's GOAT level. You tripping.
Lil Wayne can low-key go.
If you don't put Lil Wayne GOAT level, bro, you are tripping.
If I put Lil Wayne GOAT level, like, Lil Wayne can go GOAT level.
Yes, on me he is. Yes, nigga. Yes. He's borderline with Drake. He came up with Drake now.
Damn, Lil Wayne did come with Drake. But look though, listen though. Drake outlasted Wayne though, nigga.
That's disrespect, bro.
Drake outlasted Wayne though.
That's disrespect.
So baby better than Wayne? Hell yeah, baby better than fucking Wayne. Hell yeah. Wayne could go there though, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
If it wasn't for Wayne, none of these
Drake
niggas
better than Wayne. Drake better than Wayne.
If it wasn't for Wayne, none of these niggas.
He said no
exist.
nigga. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I don't want to hear it. Chat. Chill. Chat on my ass right now. Chat is on my ass. Lil Yachty is with Block Boy JB. Lil Yachty can go with Cardi B? I don't know. Yachty got some cool shit now. Yachty going crazy right now.
Man, Yachty, he goes sneaky crazy.
Yachty heating up right now.
Yeah.
Go to fucking, man. He said fuck no. Go to Lyrical Lemonade right now, nigga. I bet you see Yachty, nigga. I bet you see Yachty, nigga.
Nah, Yachty turn up. Yachty.
I bet you if you go to Lyrical Lemonade right now, who you see? Who you see? Look. Who you see? Look, nigga, read and weep, nigga. Lil Yachty, 8.4 million views. Jack Black. The fuck? Telling you, Yachty sneaky now, y'all. Oh, face cam died. Appreciate you for telling me, man. Dave. Never mind. I'm gonna use this. 1 second, you guys. Thanks for telling me, because I damn sure didn't notice, man. I'm gonna use this right here. I need a dummy battery for the face cam. 1 second, let me get the face right. We're gonna go with the Logitech. We got the backup at all times. We ain't never not. How she gonna forget us? Nah, we mean business. Profit coming every way. Alright, boom. Next up, who we got? Logic going right here. Mac Miller going right here. Machine Gun Kelly. These just people I ain't really got too much of an opinion on, for real. Meek Mill gonna go right here with these guys, man. Migos, I ain't gonna lie to you. Migos gotta go right here, low key. Migos gotta go right there, bro, with Savage in there. I'm tripping. Migos up there for me, bro. That's just me. You feel me? Huh? Let me fix this shit right here. Meek hard. Nah, Meek hard. Is this Nas? Nas is crazy. See, like, I know Nas is good and all. I'm supposed to put Nas up here with Jay-Z, Ice Cube, and shit. But Nas is going with Kendrick for me, bro. Nas is going with Kendrick. Appreciate he said them parts crispy. Nas is going with Kendrick for me, bro. What's your top 5 all time? Shit, you see 4 right here, nigga. Nicki Minaj is coming. She above Cardi. Nicki Minaj is above Cardi. Who is it? It's like Nip. I ain't really got no opinion on Nip. I don't know who the fuck this is. No name. Offset is right there with his wife. Offset hard though. Offset hard. Can Offset go with the baby in them? Nah. Offset hard though. I ain't really got no opinion on fucking Playboy Cardi. I don't listen to Cardi. But I didn't heard Cardi music though. Cardi can go with her. Damn, I'm disrespectful. I put G Herbo on the same thing as fucking Bad Baby. I'm low key disrespectful. Okay, let me stop disrespecting these niggas. I low key disrespected. This list ass. Oh, I low key disrespected them. I put Cardi on the same list as fucking Bad Baby, bro. That's disrespectful a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't got no fucking. Quavo can go right here. Pusha T, no fucking opinion. Ray Shrimmer hard. Rich the Kid can go right here with Famous Dex. Ooh, Rihanna. This is, how can I fucking put Rihanna on the list with these niggas though? Cause like Rihanna a goat as a female, but like I'm not listening to no fucking Rihanna over J. Cole. You know what I mean? You get it? So Rihanna and Nicki can low key go right here. Damn. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Don't know who this is. Don't know who this is. Don't know who this is. Put his ass right there. Snoop Dogg is fucking crazy. Snoop Dogg can go right here. Sway Lee can go right there. Beyonce go to Beyonce on this bitch. Take off. I can't go out. I got all the Migos member right here. Cause they hard for sure, but they ain't fucking with each other like together. T-Pain is crazy. T-Pain go right here. He got some hits. TK is crazy. TK can go with these niggas. Him too. I don't even listen to these niggas for real. This ain't fair because I don't be listening to these niggas, bro. I ain't put the niggas I don't know somewhere real quick. Tiger is fucking crazy. Tiger can go in trash. Ty Dolla $ign, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Travis Scott, don't really listen to him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really don't listen to these niggas for real, bro. I'm just like eliminating niggas I know I don't listen to. Megan Thee Stallion on here is crazy. Okay, Travis Scott. Tory Lanez. Tory Lanez and Travis Scott. XXX Tentacion is a fucking. Put this nigga right there, bro. Travis Scott, fucking put him right there too. Tory Lanez too. Wiz Khalifa. I'm sorry, Wiz. You're going right there with Corday. YB in the mirror is going to the trash list. YG can go right there. YNW Melly is above them niggas. Y'all not gonna fuck with it, but my YNW Melly hard. Thug going up there with Future. NBA Youngboy is going up there right next to Lil Yachty. NBA Youngboy and Lil Yachty is on the same list for me. Megan Thee Stallion, fuck no. Megan Thee Stallion is gonna go up there with. But Cardi better than Meg though, so Megan going right there, bro. Freddie Gibbs, no, don't know. Roddy Rich is up there with them boys, and YK Osiris don't fucking know. This is my list. Y'all niggas not agreeing with my list at all. I know y'all not. You know what I'm saying? But this is just my music taste. As you can see, a lot of Atlanta niggas. Lil Baby, Drake, J. Cole. I'm really putting. Y'all ain't gonna like this, but this is my top 3 right here, bro. Baby, Drake, and Cole. Even though I listen to Cole and Baby more than Drake, I fuck with Drake. You can't deny Drake. Drake is the GOAT. You cannot deny Drake. You know what I'm saying? And that's how we gonna leave it, man. Appreciate y'all boys for tuning in to List Night with AB. Hope y'all enjoyed my list. I know y'all see these motherfuckers growing too. Stop playing, nigga. Stop playing like we ain't about to goddamn be shaking these hoes in 3 months. Wait till my birthday, nigga. No cap, no cap, no cap.